Turkey. Turkey.
Cheese.
You say chicken.
No chicken.
Rye bread. Whole wheat bread.
Pumpernickel.
I was just gonna say.
Sourdough. That's my favorite.
What about pumpernickel?
Italian.
Do you like the Christmas?
Wonder bread. Wonder bread.
Get the fingers out of your mouth.
What about ciabatta?
No bada.
Pita bread.
No
pita.
Golly.
Spinach wrap.
Ella, say, I'm a ham.
Ham.
Are you a ham?
No ham, no ham.
Roast beef.
What about no matter what?
Are you going to sing the song with
Roast beef.
Mommy?
Roast beef.
What did you like your steak today?
What'd you say?
She's trying to copy me.
Says everything no.
Yeah.
No steak today?
Are you what?
You gonna eat your cake?
What about cake?
Liar.
What about chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake? Is that good chocolate
Birthday
cake?
cake.
Guess who made that?
It's Jesus' birthday cake.
Guess who made
Yummy.
that birthday cake, Ella? Publix. Can you say Publix?
No pumpernickel.
No Publix. Look at Daddy.
Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy's sleeping. Daddy had 1 too many.
Neither under the table.
Where'd Ellie go?
Where did Ella go? Where's Ella? Watch your head. There she is.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
No peekaboo? What about hide and seek? Who is that? Is that Uncle Mike?
I thought she said.
No, Mike?
Get your foot off the table.
What Mama say? No feet on the table.
Get your,
What did Mommy say?
get your fingers out of your mouth. Get those foot off the table. Well, I'm just going to do it.
Get your fingers out of your mouth, Ella.
Get your fingers out of your mouth.